everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Please ignore my nails. I really haven't been taking care of them at all. I've been so busy with all this Halloween nail art, I just haven't done my nails. But today I've got a very exciting package from the lovely Wendy from Wendy's Nails. Please head on over to her channel and subscribe to her. She is an absolute angel. I love her to pieces. She's so sweet and so lovely. And yeah, make sure you go over and subscribe to her channel. I will leave that in the description box down below and also in the comments. So definitely go over and check out her channel. She uploads lots of really good videos. She uses a lot of acrylic, does beautiful nail art, thread nails, hauls, you know, a bit of all sorts on her channel. And yeah, she's fantastic. So definitely make sure you head on over. So Wendy messaged me about a week or so ago now, and she was interested in some of my wax melts. So I've made her up some of my wax melts. I'm still not currently selling them, but I have been sending them to some of my closer friends to test out for me. Wendy wanted to try some of my wax melts, so I've made her up some wax melts and also sent her a bunch of nail art goodies and some other bits and pieces. And Wendy kindly offered to send me some of her homemade acrylics, which I'm so excited to try. I believe it's Unpolished by Aggie that done a video not long ago now where she was trying out some of Wendy's acrylics. It was her first time using acrylic and she done an incredible job, and Wendy's acrylics looked absolutely beautiful. So I'm so excited to try them today. It's been a while since I've dabbled in acrylic. It's one of those that I love doing acrylic, but the smell of Monument just does my head in. But I do love acrylic, so I'm very excited to see them and to try them out. So thank you so much to Wendy. I love you to pieces, and I really appreciate you sending me some of your acrylics. But yeah, anyway, let's stop waffling and have a look at this package. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this. See Wendy's cute little logo there. I like the bubbles. Oh, look at that card. That's gorgeous. It's like watercolour kind of effect on it. Oh, to Sammy, just a little friend mail to say thank you for all the love and support. Love Wendy, Wendy's Nails. Oh, I love that. Of course, that'll be going into my folder with all the rest of them. That's beautiful. Thank you, Wendy. Bless her. There's definitely not just acrylic here. It looks like she sent me all sorts. I love these little bags. See the little bags, the little stickers on again. Ooh. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm always needing more of these sort of rhinestones because I get through them like so often. They're one of my most commonly used lot. I really like them. They're gorgeous. Nice AB clear transparent sort of ones. Oh, they're nice. I've actually sent Wendy a load very similar to these actually. Funnily enough. So Wendy, yeah, I'll be expecting some of those in your package. Yeah, very similar to these sort of like creamy sort of coloured ones. And then I've sent her some of these more sort of clear ones as well. But they're gorgeous. I love these sort of rhinestones a lot. Oh, there's the right selection in there as well, wasn't there? Wow. I love those little yellow ones and the little red ones. Ah, so I've got like quite a few of these. I've actually sent Wendy a bunch of them, funnily enough. But I've got quite a lot of these, but they're all 3mm in size. I don't have any of these smaller ones, so that is awesome. I've got some of the big ones of those as well. So I've got some of those, but again in 3mm from Charlie's Nail Art, and they're one of my favourite rhinestones because they're sort of like gold and reflect purple. Those ones are bigger, which is awesome. I love them. Thank you, Wendy. They're so pretty. Ooh, they're cute. I haven't actually seen those on the website. I'm surprised because I read that website. I thought I had pretty much everything. I haven't seen these ones before though. Yeah, Charlie's Nail Art. You all know I love Charlie's Nail Art. She has lots of amazing, beautiful quality items at affordable prices. But yeah, I haven't seen these. They're really cute. Little snowmen. I'll definitely be using them towards Christmas. Thank you, Wendy. Let's have a look in here. Look how bright these are. Wow. I love that colour. It's one of my favourite colours, that is. And that's like dust. That is literally so fine. I love that. I think these are just glitters, aren't they? But they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They're so fine. They're literally like dust. Look at that one as well. It's like a buttercup yellow. I definitely do not have that sort of colour in my collection. And I love yellow. I really do love yellow, especially on nails. So I'll be using that a lot. Thank you, Andy. I really appreciate that. Gorgeous colours. We got some acrylics. Wow. There's so much in there as well. Ooh, look at all the colours. Oh, there's all sorts in there. Wow, that's totally my sort of acrylic as well. I can't wait to try that out. Lots of neon in there and hexes and flowers. Sorry if I'm going off camera, I'm sort of like looking in the bag at the same time. That's gorgeous, so I cannot wait to swatch these. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have many acrylics. Like, I do like doing acrylics, but I just don't have a lot, and I don't have like fancy ones at all. They're all sort of just like one colour acrylics and just like basic nudes, black, white, clear. I think I have a red. I do have some pastel ones from MVP Nail Designs that I kindly won from Omnia's Wish. Look at that though, look how sparkly that is. That's gonna be gorgeous. I cannot wait to try that out. There's hexes in there and all sorts. Try and give you guys a closer look. I'm sorry, I'm a bit of a shaky mess today, so I do apologise if I'm a bit wobbly. That's gorgeous. There's a lot of pink in there. Stars. Is there moons? Ooh, that's my sort of mix. That is definitely. I love that. I can't wait to swatch these. It's obviously a bit hard to sort of tell what they're truly like when they're in powder form, but I will definitely do swatches of those. And we've got some more here. That's some more glitter. God, there's so much in there. That's a hell of a lot of glitter. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour again though. That's so pink. So pink. I like it. I like how fine they are as well. Like, I do appreciate a really good fine glitter. I like all glitter. Like, I do really like my chunky glitters too, but the fine ones are a lot easier to work with than chunky ones. That's gorgeous. So I really love that colour. And we got another acrylic mix. This one looks like it's a yellow with lots and lots of sparkles in there. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm in love with that already. I can't wait to swatch this. It's going to be so yellow and so gorgeous. I love these bags as well. I really need to get some of these bags because they're really thick, good quality ones. I feel bad actually because I made Wendy some glitters and I've had to put them in really crappy baggies because I've run out and I really need to order some more. So yeah, I do apologise, Wendy, for the glitters that are in crappy baggies that I've sent you, because yeah, I need to find. I really like these ones. I know Aggie's got some of these as well, I think, because she sent me some bits in these green baggies and I like the best. And they're also the same ones that Charlie's Nail Art uses. They're really good quality. Like, you ain't got to worry about them splitting or nothing. I bought some cheap ones off eBay a while ago and I've been trying not to use them, but I ran out of all my good ones. And I've got these really awful ones that are really thin, and I'm just really concerned about them splitting. Look how lush that is. That's gorgeous. I like it a lot. I'm really excited to try this out, and I might actually get around to doing my own nails as well, which should be good. But yeah, they're really pretty, they are. Okay, so I'm using my Nero Nails Max Edition Monument. That's what I always use. And then, for the first time ever, I'm actually going to be using a size 12 brush. I've been given this one to try out, so I'm going to try this out today. I normally use my Love by CJP, which is only a size 10. And I've had this brush for like 2 years now, and it's like very expensive, but it was well worth every penny because I have used it a lot and it's still in really good condition. But yeah, I'm going to give it my best shot of this size 12 today and see what that's like. It's definitely got a few flicky hairs, but we'll give it a go and see what it's like. So I'm just going to swatch them on some clear swatch sticks, but I'm going to go in with this one first, which looks like it's going to be very yellow. That's so pretty. I really like that. It's got a bit of all sorts in it. I absolutely love that though. I love those hexes that are in there. Sort of like sunflower yellow, but they're iridescent as well. And you've got like red rhombus in there, red glitter. That's really pretty, that is. I really love that, Wendy. Absolutely gorgeous. And give it one more little amount. Even on the brush it looks absolutely stunning. Or I'm thinking that maybe using a size 12 brush for such tiny little swatch sticks wasn't the best of ideas. Yeah, that's that one. That's really, really, really stunning. I love that. Very, very, very nice. I love it. It's literally such a mixture of colours. Like, obviously it's mainly orange, like orangey yellow and like red. But I can see a bit of all sorts going in there. I love that. Yeah, I'm going to swatch this one now. This one looks like it's going to be a hell of a colourful. Glitter. Lots and lots and lots of glitter. Wow. Oh, I see me using that one a lot. That's gorgeous, that is. I really, really, really like that. See the mixture of colours in there. Like, obviously it's very sort of pinky, bluey, sort of purple. There's reds. There's basically all of my favourite colours in there. I love that one a lot. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, you should sell these, Wendy. They're beautiful. You really could make an absolute killing selling these. They're beautiful. Really, really, really nice. Oh, I'm so excited to dive into this one. I think this is one with stars and moons. It is. Ooh. Wow, I'm loving the look of this. That's absolutely stunning with the stars and the circles. And I love that glitter. I've got a fine glitter just like that. It's kind of like a clear sort of hollow. So it's like the glitter doesn't really have a colour to it, but it's just sort of like holographic. Absolutely stunning. Put the brush down a sec. Let's see that. I think I'm going to add another bead to that in a moment, but just see that colour on there. Beautiful. So I'll go in and grab another bead. There we go. I really like that. That's so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with this one. This one looks very yellow and pink. Absolutely stunning. I'll add a bit more to that again in a sec. Oh wow, isn't that nice? I love that. These are just so beautiful. That's got like pink iridescent hexes in it. Looks like it's got some really tiny little strands in it. It's got yellow in there. That's just beautiful, that is. I really like that. I'm just going to get another bead and work on there. I do actually really like this brush as well. I just don't think it's the most ideal for tiny nails, but I do really like it. I remember when I was doing my nail tech course, I was trying to use this really cheap, crappy brush, and I was literally in tears like every single day because I was just not getting on with acrylic at all. And then I went and bought my CJP one after seeing many people recommending it, and yeah, I've just gotten on so much better with acrylic since then. Cheap brushes are not the way with acrylic. You want a nice Klinsky one. Yeah, I love that. That is really, really, really pretty. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, I'm so excited for this one. Look at all the neon dots in it. Very, very, very excited to try that out. Oh wow, see that flower and that on there? There's a bit of all sorts going on in this. And give it another bead of that one again. I feel like I would call this one like a trippy hippie or something like that, with the flowers and the hearts and all the colours and that lot. It just makes me think of like, yeah, hippies, trippy hippies. You'll see there's so much going on in there. It's beautiful. I'm a bit out of practice with the acrylic, by the way. I literally haven't used it in the longest time. It's just a monomer. If it weren't for the monomer being so potent, I'd use it more. That's why I've fallen in love with polygels, because it's just scent-free and it's not going to be causing no harm. But I do worry about the kids and that, breathing in monomer. It's just one of those I have to wait for the quiet time and be able to air the place out nicely. But yeah, I love that. I definitely think that's just, it gives me proper hippie vibes, which I absolutely love. That's totally just me, that is. That's beautiful, Wendy. You have done an amazing job with these. I really, really, really like them. So that's all of the acrylic swatches. I really, really, really love all of them. Like, I can't pick a favourite. I'm trying to pick a favourite, but I really can't, because they're all so unique, but they're all so beautiful, and I just love them all. They're just amazing. Wendy, you have done an absolutely fantastic job with these. I really reckon you should sell them. I would definitely say, like, look into selling them, because they're beautiful. And yeah, you know, acrylic's so popular. I reckon you can earn an absolute killing off of these for sure, because they are just beautiful, very unique, and yeah, absolutely love them to pieces. Like, thank you so much. They're just, yeah, amazing, absolutely amazing. And they were really easy to work with as well, because I find that some acrylics, like the ratios with them, with chunks and stuff, can be quite hard to work with sometimes. But with these ones, you've got those ratios just right with the acrylic, as well as like the chunks and that in it. And yeah, I had absolutely no problem working with them at all, considering it's been a while. It's been like a good few months since I last used any acrylic. So yeah, I'm over the moon with them. Thank you so much, Wendy, for everything you've sent me today. I'm absolutely made up of everything. You've been incredibly generous, and I love you so much. I really hope you enjoy everything I have sent you. And yeah, I'm definitely going to dabble with some acrylic a bit more. I want to do my nails with these at some point, although I'm going to struggle to pick what ones to use. But yeah, I really like them, so yeah, brilliant. But anyways, I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I do apologise if it's been a bit all over the place, but it's my videos, they always are. So but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you again to Wendy. Make sure everybody, you go and head on over to her channel and subscribe to her. She's the most lovely lady ever, and I love her to pieces. And yeah, go subscribe and show her some love. But anyways, I'm gonna stop waffling. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, other than that, I will see you in the next one, everybody. Much love. Bye.